welcome to Trash Compactor. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a Stan Solo Bantha. Okay, to make a Stan Solo Bantha, what you first of all do, you get a block of clay and then you pick that up and you throw it away. Oops. And then what you do is you get your debit card and you go to his new website and you place an order. Then what you do, sit back, relax and wait. It's arrived. So here we go. Got my box. I'm hoping it's the Bantha. This isn't going to be the wrong video. It looks like it. It feels like it. I got a notification. It's took a while, but that's completely expected and completely understandable. I didn't send Chris messages hassling him for updates because there's no need. Once you've ordered something, if you're with a trusted seller, you don't need to follow them or chase them. So here we go. Let's open it up. This is a bit different for me. I don't normally do reveal videos or review videos. There's a lot of people who do on the internet already, on YouTube. And I just wanted to, I'm so excited about this. I just wanted to show it when it arrived because it's gonna be awesome. Oh, so it's a box. Wait for it. In a box. That's packaging. Come on, it's just teasing me now. Yeah. What's this? Needs to be some like reveal music. No, too loud, too distracting. Stop that. Oh. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. It's just exactly how it was back in the day. Look, there's Stan. Oh, it's just weighty as well. It feels like proper back in the day Star Wars toys when you were a kid. Trouble is, then I would have been ripping the box open and just casting it away and goes in a big pile in the bin, and then you look back and go, oh, I should have kept all the packaging. Right, now to very carefully open this. I really don't want to rip it. Oh, it's beautiful quality, as always. But that's... Come on. Oh, I don't want to rip it, Ah, yeah, there we go. Gently does it. Tease it out. Ooh. And yes, the red foam is not vintage, but it's there to protect it, and it's totally welcome. If it doesn't create any damage, it's fine. It's got a long way to travel, so it's expected. And here we have... It's just insanely good. Oh, it just smells correct as well. Oh, you often smell toys, when you open them up, or you get a new car and it's got that smell. So he's got his movable legs, all perfectly fine. Look at that. Spring-loaded catch, amazing. I'm getting married soon and made a wedding topper for our cake. I'm just wondering if I can convince my other half that we have a Bantha as the wedding topper. That would be pretty awesome. No, it's not gonna happen. Oh, smell it again. Oh yeah, that's awesome. And oh, here we go. Oh, it comes with a Jawa. Oh, I saw that on videos. Didn't realise it actually does come with a Jawa. Probably pop him in there and lose him. Yeah. Oh, little teeny. Love it. And then we have the reins, which I guess go on these little studs here. Yep. Well, I have to say, knocked it out the park. That is just so cool. Look at the buckle. It is such a nice piece. He's done such an awesome job. So I've got my Tuscan Raider, but I've taken the vintage cape off because I didn't want to... It's very fragile and I don't want to wedge it and rip it. So if I pop the Tuscan in there, that is so cool. Pop his hands on. Da, da, da. There we go. I've got the one that I had was capeless, that's in a bib Fortuna coat, which I always had as a kid, which I thought looked quite apt. Probably prefer that to the plastic cape, if I'm brutally honest. So yeah, there we go. There's the complicated process of how to make a Stan Solo Bantha. It is a complicated process. It is for Chris. It's taken him a long time to get here from beginning to end. Lots of pain and agony. Aggro from other creators who just don't deliver. But this is the end result that he's come out with, and I have to say it's fantastic. So many thanks, Chris. He always delivers. Well done, Chris. Another amazing item to add to my collection. I will be putting the box somewhere safe, but this is definitely going on my display shelf like this. It's a shame to keep it in the box. It's just beautiful. What should I call him? The Jawa imprints on the Bantha. Oh, so happy. So yeah, there we go. That's my video. Probably the simplest how to make for me. I haven't had to do anything apart from get my debit card out and process an order and then sit patiently and let Chris do all the hard work as usual. Yay! So, different video for Trash Compactor. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like seeing the Bantha. If you haven't ordered one, really, just do it. He's lovely. Very lovely indeed. Oh, it's so cool.
What a piece of junk!